पूज्याय मुरुगेन्द्राय सत्यधर्मरताय च भजतां कल्पवृक्षाय नमतां कामधेनुवे. This is KP Dharigaudar. I welcome you all to my YouTube classes. Today I am going to teach you LCM and HCF. Here in this blackboard I given this. What one table I given you here. Here given numbers are here, whereas LCM and this is HCF. We have to find here, fill in the blanks. What these are numbers, and here some are by mouth calculation, some are by doing with chalk piece. That this we have to learn now. Applying some rules and that we can find. See here, first sum. First we have to find LCM. First sum 5, 11, 7, 101 it is. See, these are all prime numbers. Seemingly we can understand those. So, what is that rules tells you for LCM? The product of prime numbers is LCM and one is HCF. One is very safer side. LCM of prime numbers is 1. I finished this HCF. Now I am going to do that here 5 11s are 55, then 701 is 707. Okay. 5 7s are 35 and again 35. And same number it is 3535. Okay, fast we can do 8 8 8 3 3 8 8 8 5. See, means see this much it is. I am leaving this. 38,885 is LCM. Okay, understood now? LCM of prime numbers is its product. I did product only. Simply I did these two product I taken and whole multiplied. 38,885. And HCF of prime numbers is 1. So here written. Now we have to go second. See here 14 and 15 are co-prime numbers. So when co-prime number are there, then also you need to multiply those. Isn't it? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 15, 16, 18, 19, 17, 18. These are all. What is co-prime number? Whose HCF is 1 is called co-prime number. So again, second rule is HCF of co-prime numbers is 1. Isn't it? When 1 is HCF, then you have to multiply these two. 14 into 15 now. 15 4s are 60. 15 1s are 15 plus 6, 21. 210 is the LCM. Okay, easy. Making easy. Past. We have to save the time here and spent in other problem. So you have to understand rules. 8, 9, 10, what kind of numbers? Again these are all co-prime number for, see, 8 and 10 are, if it is 3, I can't give you guarantee. Isn't it? So you have to do those. 8, 9, 10 co-prime numbers. Whereas here co-prime numbers LCM is not its multiplication, its product. See, we have to check it. 8, 9, 10 are not in same table. So HCF is again 1. For LCM, I can't give you guarantee. So 2 and 8 and 10 are in same table. So 2 4s are 9 7s are 2 5s are 4 5 4 9 10 5 are not in same table. Now we can multiply and put 2 4s are 8 8 9s are 72 72 into 5 5 2s are 10 5 7s are 35 36. Okay, understood? If two numbers are there, then you can multiply it if it is HCF. HCF is 1. Whereas here, three numbers if it given, whereas HCF is 1, but we have to think of this. Because 8 9 is 72, 10 is 720, whereas its half is written because 8 and 9 are in same table. Okay, if you want to do like this, we are in confusion of this, so you can go of this also. 2 4s are 2 2s are 5 same, and 3 we can do 2 same, 3 3s are 5. Now different types of prime numbers are there, so we can do. You can do 5 3s are 15, 2s are 30, 33s are 90, 94s are 360. Okay, so head is required. You should not go for this. Only when it is 2, then you go for this. Okay, now 45 and 55. Then whether we have to go for LCM or HCF first. First do HCF. Then you can understand that which common factor is there. Isn't it? And here it is seemingly divisible by 5 because both the numbers are end with 5. So we can go 45 and 55 by 5. Isn't it? 5 9s are 5 11s are. 9 and 11 are co-prime number, only 2. So this is danger if you gone. So 5 is HCF and LCM is when these are common. Another number you can extend if prime numbers you require. Okay, 3 3s are 11 same are. 11 3s are 33, 3s are 99. 99 5s are 5 9s are 45, 45 49. 495 is LCM. Okay. Now we are going here 40, 80, 160. See, one rule is there. Among given numbers, if smallest is factor of other numbers, then that is LCM. See, 42 is 80, 44 is 160. So 40 is HCF. And another rule for LCM is, if the biggest number is multiple of remaining numbers, then that is LCM. See, 160 is multiple of all these two because these two are factors of 160. Then 160 is LCM. Okay, mouth calculation. Yes. 204, 10, 8. Check here 4, whereas it is not. 4 can't divide 10. See, very nonsense it is, na? Whereas 200 is multiple of all these. But 4 and 10, there you need to think. So, 4, if we did, 4 can't divide 10. So, again it's half you can go. And 2 is LCM, HCF of this. Whereas 200 is 8 15s are 200. Isn't it? 8 15s are? No. 8 15s no. 8 2s, 8 25s are 200. 10 20s are 200. 4 50s are 200. 200 1s are 200. whereas LCM is there, whereas all the numbers are not divisible by 4, so we have to check. See, mouth calculation. 200, 4, 10, 8. See, directly we can't divide it by 4. So 2 hundreds are, 2 twos are, 2 fives are, 2 fours are. All can be divisible by 2. Whereas now there is no common factor here for 100, 2, 5, 4. 100, 2 and 4 are having common factor, whereas 5 stands there. But what is HCF? HCF is the highest number, the largest number, the greatest number which divides given numbers. 2 is the largest number, divides 200, 4, 10 and 8. So 2 is the HCF. Whereas here these two, 160 is multiple of these two and 40 is factor of these two. Okay. Now 161 and 253. I told you to find HCF. So here what you have to do is, you have to go right here first, 161 and 253. We need LCM. But better now, because we can't crack it by divisibility. So it is 7 and it is 7 plus 3, it is 11, no 10 it is. Its sum is 8 and its sum is 10, isn't it? So these are not divisible by what number? Any number. 3 and these two are odd numbers. Then check by that this it is a problem. So continuous division method you have to take. Then you will find easily that HCF. See, 161's double is above 300. So 1 you can take. 290. 92 is the balance. And here 161. See, 92 2s are 9 2s are 18. So 1 you can take. 9, 16 minus 10 it is 6, 0. Again 92 you have to take. 69 1s are 69. Because the other number if you taken 120 above it is. So here 3 and here it is 9 minus 7 it is 2. See, 69 again. 23 is prime number. 3 3 is a 9. 3 2 is a 6. So 3 is a 69. So 23 is HCF. Okay, 23 is HCF. Now what is benefit here to find LCM? If you are confused, you go with continuous division method and you will conclude that one HCF. If it is 1, then you can multiply and put, isn't it? Whereas here it is difficult. See, where? Herein we can't multiply it. Yes, here what you found 23 is HCF, then we can divide this, isn't it? Then 23 is HCF. See, we can take it by 23, prime number it is. 161 by 23. 23 last one means here it should be multiplied by 7. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 5s are 15, 6s are 18, 7s are 31, last one. only option is 7. 3, 23, 7 3s are 21, 7 2s are 14, 16. Yes, 7s are. And this is, see, 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 minus 5 is 11. So, however, its HCF is 23. Then it is obviously divisible by 11. Okay. That if you want to check, then L1 23s are 33, L1 2s are 22, 25, 11. Okay. See here came. And 7s are, it is 161, already it is been known. Then if we want 3 here, then 1 is required or else L1 is required, isn't it? So I concluded. And 7 and L1 are different prime numbers. Then you can multiply all this and put as LCM. L1 7s are 77 into 23. 3 7s are 21. 21 plus 2, 23. 2 7s are 14. 14 plus 1, 15. 1771. 1771 is LCM of these 261 and 253. Here you understood mostly the entire things of where we have to do mouth calculation, where to go continuous division method, where to go follow usual division method, and if like this numbers, how we have to find LCM, so that we have to find first HCF, later we can go like this. All the things you understood. See, everything is written here and these are the numbers. What is this question? What is the LCM of 5, 7, 11, 7 and 101? It is. If it is, question comes like this. See. What is the least number divisible by 60, 70 and 80? What is the least number divisible by 60, 70, 80? LCM is not asked here, whereas it is LCM only. What is the least number divisible by these numbers? Means LCM it is. So find LCM, you will get that. See here 60, 70, 80 are visible in tens table. So usual division method you can follow. 6s are, 7s are, 8s are. And 2 and 6 are divisible by, when it is prime number, then no need of checking whether all the numbers are divisible or not. Whereas when you are taking divisible number, there is a condition, you should divide all the given numbers. Here 2 3s are, 7 sames are, 2 4s are. See, again you need to go for 3 7 same, 2 2s are. 3 7 2 are different prime numbers. So multiply all these and put your answer. 7 2s are 14 3s are 42. 42 10s are 420, isn't it? Then 4 2 remained. 4 2s are 8, 4 4s are 16. See, LCM is 1680. Then what is over? 1680 is the least number divisible by 60, 70, 80. Okay? Then if it is asked like this, what is the greatest number? Greatest number divides divides 60, 70 and 80. Then here it is HCF is not asked, whereas you have to follow that here it is a HCF. Then you go again and usual division method is over for this. 6 is 7 is 8 is 6, 8 are in same table, whereas 7 is not in the same table. So if you go, danger is there. Then 10 is the greatest number, divide 60, 70, 80. Okay, HCF is 10. Okay, here one more problem is asked here. See, in Navodaya challenge book, one more question is asked here, and you can go for that, so that you can conclude what is what. Okay, here see, which is the largest number divides 12, 17 and 37, leaves 2 remainder. It is asked. Then what to do here? First, remainder means this is excess in all these numbers, isn't it? So what you have to do, you have to subtract 2 in each case, so that after subtracting you will get some different number. Here you got 10, here you got 15, whereas here 35 you got, isn't it? Then LCM of this is, see, all these are ended in 0. You see, visible 5's table, they are all 5 2's, 5 3's, 5 7's. All these are prime numbers. So 5 is the greatest number, divides 12, 17, 37, leaves in each case 2 as remainder. See, 5 2's are 12, 2 remainder, 5 3's are 15, 2 remainder, 5 7's are 35, 2 remainder. Okay, here in this case you have to do like this. And one more sum is asked for in LCM. What is the 4-digit largest number divisible by 15 and 20? What is the 4-digit largest number divisible by 15 and 20? What is their confusion? You have to find the agent for this 15 and 20, that is LCM. See, LCM of 15 and 20 I am taking. See, 50 and 20. 15 and 20's LCM is 5 3's, 5 4's, co-prime, 3 4's, 12 5's, 120 is LCM. What is this LCM? This is agent of 15 and 20. Understood? And 4-digit number is 4-digit largest number is 9999, that is 9999. Whether this is divisible by 120 or not, check it. So 9999 divided by 120. 12 7s are 96. No, 12 5 is 600. 12 7s are 12 8s are 96. C 9 3, and here it is 0 again. These three already taken, one remained, that 12 3s are 36. See, what remained is 39. It is excess in this. It is quite okay. It is divisible, whereas this is 39 is excess in this. So you have to reduce that and write. That is the answer. 699. And what is that answer? 9960 is that answer. Which 9960. Okay. Here. What you have to do in this problem? What is the 4-digit largest number divisible by 15 and 20? First you have to find which number it is asked, that's LCM you have to find, and write 4-digit largest number, then whatever divide by LCM, then you will get 39. Sorry, in different cases you will get, if it is divisible, then that is same number is also answer, whereas if it is not divisible, here in this case 39 is remainder. In that 4-digit, 5-digit, whatever asked, that 39 here it is subtracted, means remainder whatever comes now, that should be subtracted. Okay. And one more, smallest number if it is asked, what to do? See, here it is smallest number if it is asked. 4-digit smallest number by 12 and 15. What is the 4-digit smallest number divisible by 12 and 15? Same. LCM of 12 and 15 you have to take. 12 and 15's LCM is, both the numbers are divisible by 3, 3 4s are 3, 5s are 4 and 5 are co-prime number and only 2. So you go for 4 5s are 23s are 60. 60 is LCM. Okay. 12 5s are 60, 15 4s are 60. Then 4-digit smallest number is, 4-digit smallest number is 1000. Divide it by 60. 1000 divided by 60. 61s are 62s are, it is 120, 40 remained, all the 3 we taken and only 0 we have to take. 6 5s are 30, 6 8s are, hey, no. Even 7s also, no, 6 6s are 36. 40 remains. Then whatever remainder is there, that should be subtracted. Remainder I am subtracting. Remainder I am subtracting, find it. 0, 6, 9. Here it is, what happened? They are asked 4-digit number, whereas ours is 3-digit. Don't be upset. Now, whatever the number you found LCM, that should be added. Divisor should be added. That LCM in sense. LCM should be added. See, 4-digit number came. 1000 20 is the number divisible by 12 and 15. 1020 is the 4-digit smallest number divisible by 12 and 15. How you did this cooking? Yes. How to do masala rice? There in TV, everybody will observe that once again they can recapture. Likewise, I am recapitulating here. 12 and 15 LCM you taken, then 4-digit smallest number you written, and from LCM you divided it, you got 40 as remainder, and this is no sense. 1000 minus remainder plus what it is? Divisor minus remainder plus divisor, that is 120. Either some will do like this: 16 plus 1, 16 plus 1 into LCM is 60, 17 into 60, 16 7s are 102, 0. See, why it is plus 1? See, 60 16s are whatever that much number, it gives this much. So what we have to do is 16 17s are, that is same thing we did. See, whatever quotient we got na, there we have to add 1 and multiply it by LCM. There also you will get. Two methods you can follow. Okay? This is what again we need to discuss some problems on LCM and HCF. Till now I finished this for today's program. So you have to learn. Maximum examples are being given in English Medium Navodaya Challenge, and in some question papers also been given. And so that without practicing, you should not see this video sleeping. You have to pause it and do this like this with notebook. If you sit, you can understand. Okay, thank you for learning all these, watching my videos. Subscribe if you are not subscribed, subscribe my channel and share, like, comment. Okay, thank you.